there were certain events which were very uncomfortable, but when life throws some catastrophic event, that is the time you actually think, you start looking around pehle. And how do you start looking around? You will blame everybody, you will complain. And then when that looking around is not helping, that is when the real journey starts. You know, अब बाहर कुछ नहीं है, आंसर वहाँ है ही नहीं.
3 fingers are pointed here, 1 is here.
True.
So it's always like
Yes.
अगर हम एक यहाँ कर रहे हैं तो 3 यहाँ
Yes.
है ही.
Yes.
और वो देखने की ज़रूरत हम सब में है.
In today's podcast, I'm also going to teach people how to create a unique holistic model for yourself.
Okay.
And it is DIY.
Okay.
Do it yourself. And it's so simple.
बताइए.
The DIY model is बहुत ज़्यादा don't spread out too much. Just make 3 columns: mental, physical and spiritual.
वेलकम टू डीप टॉक्स. डीप टॉक्स में आपका स्वागत है. जैसे हमने आपको ये प्रॉमिस किया है कि हम आपके सामने ऐसे गेस्ट ले आएंगे जिनसे हम बातें करके कुछ सीखेंगे, उनके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस से, उनके विजडम से हमें कुछ सीखने मिले और हमारे लाइफ में सिर्फ हमारी ये बातें सुन के, ये डीप टॉक्स सुन के हमारे अंदर कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऐसे आए जिससे हमारी लाइफ की जर्नी थोड़ी सी हील हो सके. सो आज हम आपके सामने लेके आ रहे हैं डॉक्टर लीना अटकर. शी इज़ अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, हील योर लाइफ थेरेपिस्ट एंड एन हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट. ये अपने लाइफ में एक डॉक्टर होने के बावजूद उसने एक आध्यात्मिक जीवन को अपनाया है और साथ में दोनों को पैरेलली साथ में लेके वो चल रही हैं. और आज हम उनसे बातें करके कुछ जानेंगे कि क्या है उनके लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस. वेलकम डॉक्टर लीना. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस पॉडकास्ट हम एक प्रेयर से चालू करेंगे विच इज़ हर रिकमेंडेशन. इट्स कॉल्ड हीलर्स प्रेयर्स. और ये ऐसे प्रेयर्स हैं कि आज जब हम ये प्रे करेंगे आप लोग भी ये सुनिएगा. और इसका ये महत्व है कि जो भी ये पॉडकास्ट सुनेगा उनको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ज़रूर आएगा. तो जानते हैं लीना अटकर से about the healing prayers.
Before we start today's podcast, let's just say the healer's prayer. It is for everybody who is a part of the healing process or even a health practitioner. That prayer just simply means that I am the medium and you're just praying for the spirit to flow through you, guide you. And while you are healing others, you're healing yourself also.
Very true.
So the prayer goes, I am here only to be truly helpful, and I represent the great spirit who sent me. I do not have to worry about what to say or what to do, as he who sent me will direct me. I'm content to be wherever he wishes me to be, knowing he goes there with me, and I will be healed as I let him teach me to heal.
So beautiful. So beautiful. Very similar to what we have learnt in Reiki, but words are a little different, but it's very similar because it's like we are the empty flute. And when we are the empty flute, it just flows through you. The healing. That's beautiful. So the actual role of a therapist, healer, doctors is to just hold the space for the people, and they heal themselves. So it's so important. Yeah. Let's start with your questions. डॉक्टर लीना बताइए, आप फिजियोथेरेपी एज अ प्रोफेशन आपने कैसे चुना? हाउ डिड यू इवन थिंक ऑफ बिकमिंग अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट?
Firstly, I would like to say thank you for having this podcast today. And I think you and me go a very long way. Maybe 15 years of knowing each other, and my healing journey began with you actually. When I stepped into this world of healing, I literally can visualize this, that you opened the door for me. And so gently with your hand, you led me into it, into a world that was maybe not known to me then. So first thing is, thank you so much for that.
Welcome. It's been a beautiful journey together.
Yes, absolutely. A very, very beautiful journey together. Um, my, I think it was destiny
Mm-hmm.
that made me who I am today. And more than that, I think it was my father's vision that I become a physiotherapist. बचपन से देखा है कि my father struggled with his disability. He suffers from a condition called ankylosing spondylitis.
Mm-hmm.
And I have seen उनका posture deteriorate होते हुए. I have seen उनकी restriction in mobility. I have seen like simply जैसे अगर आपको कहीं मुड़ के देखना है तो you have to turn your whole body, you can't turn your neck.
Okay.
And with that, the depression setting in. So I have seen this so closely that all that propelled me to help him and help people like him to move better, to have a pain free life. And here I am.
It was surely a destiny based
Yes,
decision.
yes,
Yeah, because that's how, sometimes destiny ऐसे खेल खेलती है ताकि, हम वो रास्ते पे चलना शुरू कर दें. So it's very
yes.
beautiful. आपके फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के प्रोफेशन में ऐसे क्या एक्सपीरियंसेस थे जिसने आपको इस आध्यात्मिक जीवन की तरफ टर्न किया, आपने आपने उसको अपनाया अपनी लाइफ में? तो ऐसे क्या था इन फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, जब आप जाते थे, जब आप आपके पेशेंट्स के साथ आप उनकी हीलिंग करते थे, तो आपने ऐसा क्या देखा?
I think as a young physiotherapist 20 years ago, जिस तरीके से हम फिजियोथेरेपी प्रैक्टिस करते थे, इट वाज वेरी क्लियरली मूवमेंट साइंस. एंड we would treat every patient by helping them reduce their pain, by helping them move better, by correcting their posture, by rehabilitating them after surgeries. But there was one thing that I was constantly noticing was that there was this state of mind that would largely influence their condition.
हम्म.
Like simple phone calls कि आज मेरा मन नहीं है.
हम्म.
A simple sentence like that कि आज मेरा मन नहीं है. आज रहने देंगे. I don't feel like it today. Maybe can we start from next Monday? So things like that made me feel like why is everybody, why that state of mind is influencing their movement so much.
हम्म.
And so much so that you refuse to move the day मन नहीं कर रहा है. And I'm sure everybody can relate to this. हमारा कभी मन करता ही नहीं है. But that's when I saw that the mind was influencing this physical condition big time. Then I thought that there is something more to it. Another thing was that chronic pain. सालों से कुछ लोगों को आपने देखा होगा, मुझे 30 साल से बैक पेन है,
हाँ.
मुझे 20 साल से नी पेन है. And now it is like a part of it's like a part of everybody's normal lingo. You know, my aches and pains. हम बात ही aches and pains से शुरू करते हैं.
हम्म.
But when I realized that, I thought there is a huge psychosomatic aspect to this physical condition. And I think उसमें depth में उतरने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. And that drew me to qualify as a clinical hypnotherapist, wherein I understood that how the mind was influencing this body's physical manifestation. Like aches and pains है, पर वो कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? To explore the the root cause of conditions.
So आप ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि ट्रॉमा स्टोर्ड है बॉडी के अंदर.
Yes, definitely.
और वहाँ पे भी एक्स एंड पेन्स एंड इंजरीज हो सकती है क्योंकि इतना ट्रॉमा है कि फ्रैक्चर हो रहा है. व्हाई दैट
Yes.
पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, या
Yes.
इतना मतलब माइंड में, इमोशंस में कहीं पे कुछ इतना है जो हील नहीं किया है, जो अंडर द सरफेस है. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड.
Yes, definitely. Like simple thing like neck pain. A very common cause of neck pain could be even deep-rooted resentment.
ओके.
Knee pain. A very common cause of knee pain. I'm sure a few viewers are going to get very angry on me for this, but it is stubbornness.
It's stubbornness, inflexibility,
Inflexibility.
stubbornness. But there's also, it's all about fears also.
Yes.
Lot of fears
A
of how
lot
to
of
move
that.
forward. Yeah. Very beautiful. So जब आपने ये इनकॉर्पोरेट किया आपके लाइफ के अंदर. सो आपके हिसाब से व्हाट इज़ होलिस्टिक हेल्थ? अभी हम जब होलिस्टिक हेल्थ बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज़ इट?
सो होलिस्टिक हेल्थ इज़ अ टर्म विच इज़ अभी रिसेंटली बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया है. हर एक होलिस्टिक सैलॉन भी बोलता है कोई. एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक हर चीज़ को होलिस्टिक.
Cafes and
कैफेज में भी
everything.
होलिस्टिक कैफे, होलिस्टिक एवरीथिंग इज होलिस्टिक. इट्स सच अ क्लीशेड वर्ड विच इज़ यूज्ड लाइक होलिस्टिक. बस इट्स अ वेरी नाइस साउंडिंग वर्ड. बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट पहले जो एक इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच था उससे हम होलिस्टिक की तरफ आए. अगर आप पहले डॉक्टर के पास जाते थे एंड यू वुड से यू नो आई हैव दीज एक्स एंड पेन्स, द डॉक्टर वुड गिव यू मेडिसिन. द डॉक्टर विल टेल यू कि दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी and do the needful. But what state of mind the person has walked in,
Hmm.
it was not
Addressed.
addressed at all. Holistic comes from the word holos in Greek. That means whole. So, holistic meaning you are now looking at the person as a whole. The
Hmm.
doctor will also think about the mind, the body, the spirit, everything. Everything is included. In fact, even finances, your social issues, your intellectual issues, your emotional issues, they are also a part of holistic health.
Hmm.
So, I'm glad that a person has been seen as whole.
क्या आपकी लाइफ जर्नी में व्हाट वी कॉल द डार्क नाइट ऑफ द सोल, हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस दैट? और क्या उसने आपको पुश किया टू सी कि इस मंडेन लाइफ के अंदर और भी कुछ है, देयर इज मोर टू सी देन व्हाट वी आर सीइंग? जैसे आई थिंक आई हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, मेनी पीपल हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, और वही हमें एक स्पिरिचुअल साइड हमारा ओपन करता है. हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग लाइक दैट?
I feel life has to make you uncomfortable
Hmm.
for you to be pushed to change. अगर
Yeah.
सब कुछ ही बहुत अच्छा है लाइफ में तो why would we change?
No one
We would
pick,
not
no
even
one.
think of changing. So I think yes, uh, there were certain events which were very uncomfortable, but when life throws some catastrophic event, that is the time you actually think, you start looking around pehle. And how do you start looking around? You will blame everybody, you will complain. And then when that looking around is not helping, that is when the real journey starts. You know, अब बाहर कुछ नहीं है, answers नहीं मिल रहे हैं, the answers are within. And that is when you actually, the
Take
journey of
charge of your
awareness
life.
begins.
Hmm.
And you start looking within. And I think for me the same thing happened when I started looking within for answers. That was the day awareness dawned, and I think the journey truly began that day when I started taking my own responsibility.
100% जब ये कैटास्ट्रोफे इवेंट्स आते हैं हमारी लाइफ में, डेफिनेटली द थर्ड आई ओपन्स, लॉट ऑफ इल्यूजन्स जो हम बोलते हैं वो डिसअपियर होने लगते हैं, और हम लाइफ को एक अलग नज़रिए से देखने लगते हैं जहाँ से हमें समझ आता है कि देर इज़ मोर टू लाइफ देन दिस. एंड लाइक आपने अभी बोला कि चेंज विद इन, नहीं तो कौन चेंज करेगा? कोई नहीं चेंज
Yeah.
करेगा, हम चेंज करेंगे ही नहीं, हम वैसे ही इंजॉय करेंगे
Yes.
अपनी लाइफ और वैसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे.
And it is very easy to blame. It is very easy. And I think I'm not going to be uh, I'm going to be very honest here, and everybody starts their journey with blaming.
हाँ हाँ, ऑल ऑफ अस.
And then you know that आंसर वहाँ है ही नहीं.
3 fingers are pointed here, 1 is here.
True.
So it's always like अगर हम
Yes.
एक यहाँ कर रहे हैं तो 3 यहाँ
Yes.
है ही.
Yes.
और वो देखने की ज़रूरत हम सब में है.
That's
वेरी
true.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो हिप्नोथेरेपी, पास्ट लाइफ सेशंस, ये सब आपने अपने ऊपर भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है अलॉन्ग विद डूइंग इट फॉर योर क्लाइंट्स? और क्या वो इवॉल्व होने के लिए हमारी हेल्प करते हैं? लाइक डज इट ओपन अप आवर साइकिक सेंटर्स या हमारा स्पिरिचुअल साइड?
So one thing I would like to tell everybody is hypnosis is a good thing. There are a lot of myths around hypnosis.
Fears.
Fears hai, and the biggest fear is like if you take me into trance or and if you don't bring me back,
हाँ.
and what will happen? Often we've seen stage hypnotism which is
Yeah.
dangerous. Yes.
Yes.
So whenever you're taking any hypnotherapy sessions, you have to um, take the sessions from a qualified therapist.
Yes.
Make sure that the person is trained as a hypnotherapist. So they
Yes.
would know, they will exactly be able to tell you what to expect.
Yeah.
Now, what hypnosis does? Hypnosis, what I learned from hypnosis is like, it taught me just to relax. You know, एक अल्फा स्टेट होती है ना, डीप रिलैक्स स्टेट,
Hmm.
दैट इज द स्टेट ऑफ लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस. उसमें आपका क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग बहुत कम होता है.
Hmm.
You're not questioning relaxation. Do you ever question relaxation? Whether are you relaxed or not? No, you're relaxed. So naturally, you're resisting less. Even if you see the law of electricity, it passes through wires which have least resistance. So if you want to really get a few changes, if you want some changes to happen, you need to resist less.
Very important. We
Yes.
were talking about this, in my other podcast. I allow.
Yes,
I allow. It's such a powerful
very powerful.
affirmation. I allow. उसमें इतने resistances गिरने लगते हैं. So that lady was like, you taught me I allow, and I keep on saying that, and उससे जो changes आने लगे life में, because all her resistances started falling
Starting to fall apart. So learn to be in that alpha state, and
Yeah.
everybody is doing affirmations, manifestation. ये सारी अभी, they are like these things that people are loving to do.
off. Yeah.
And somewhere there is hope in people that if I want something, I can manifest it.
Yes.
So alpha state, that deeply relaxed state, is a beautiful state to actually manifest things. Another thing in hypnosis that you really can do is, you can work with your hypnotherapist, is you can do subconscious mind programming. So when you have your levels of your mind, you have your conscious mind, you have your subconscious mind, and then the deep unconscious mind. You must have seen an iceberg. You've seen a picture of an iceberg. So the tip of that iceberg is just the conscious mind. We only know that much about ourselves.
Yeah.
And the thing that is beneath it is actually,
The subconscious mind.
yes, completely the subconscious mind and the deep unconscious, which needs exploration. So
That needs the most exploration.
absolutely, and hypnosis can really help you with that.
क्योंकि कितनी सारी बातें हम करते हैं जो ऑटो मोड पे रहती है, हमें पता भी नहीं है कि हम कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
Just as simple as blink of an eye.
Yes.
Same way we have reactions to situations, resistances. We don't know we are doing it. We are just
Yeah.
doing it till we become aware of it.
Yes.
और एक बार वो awareness आ जाता है, then it becomes easy. And I think hypnosis हमें वो help करता है.
I'll tell you, if you are aware of your problem,
Hmm.
you have solved it 80%.
Yes.
Just by getting an awareness of that problem.
Yes.
All your conscious mind, actually I'll tell you, you're your best counselor. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होती है कि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. So once you know, when you're in a deeply relaxed state, you're meditating or you're doing hypnosis, the problem will actually surface up and you kind of get an insight and you suddenly know, oh, अच्छा ये problem है. And you know what? Your conscious mind is, I got it. And the next thing you know, the problem is resolved.
So, जब हम पास्ट लाइफ सेशंस करते हैं, और क्या हमारे पिछले जन्मों के कर्म हमारा लाइफ स्क्रिप्ट, आज के इस जन्म का लाइफ स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं, और अगर हाँ तो हम इसको कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं?
Karmic accounts and karmic baggages are true.
Yes.
I believe in karma. I don't think यहाँ पे कोई भी होगा जो good karma में believe नहीं करता होगा. If they don't believe in karma, they definitely believe in good karma,
Yeah.
right? So yes, you have karmic baggages. But I'd like to give you a nice concept here, which is karma and destiny and free will. So how all these three are going hand in hand. So destiny, जब वो karmic destiny होती है ना, तब आप it happens. You will not question it. You will go with it. आप सफ़र करोगे या जो भी event होगा, mental, physical, whatever, you will go through that event. You will not question it. But the point you start questioning it is the point where the free will has begun now. Now it is not a pattern or a karmic baggage anymore. It is a
Yes.
choice you're making.
एंड यू हैव अ चॉइस टू चेंज
Yes,
इट,
of course you can make
क्योंकि
a
आपने क्वेश्चनिंग शुरू कर दिया.
कर दिया आपने, and that's where your free will has begun. So, if you ask me in hypnosis, yes, any healing can help you with your karmic baggages. How?
Yes.
If it has been a karmic baggage, you can release the pain related to it.
Yes.
And if now you have stepped into the free will, create new programs. If you don't like what's happening with you, change it. Create new programs.
And so powerful. This is so powerful.
Yes, it is.
क्या आपने आपका कोई पास्ट लाइफ देखा है, और अगर आप कुछ शेयर कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में, यू नो, इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल.
Yes, I do believe in past life. There are now, you have again two groups here. One group who believe in past life, there is past life. And I am a believer of that. And for people who don't believe in past life, there are past imprints
करेक्ट.
in your unconscious mind. Let's not try to understand वो कहाँ से आए, पर past imprints तो है ही. Well, yes, I have done past life regression therapy. The first session that I did was when I was training as a hypnotherapist in 2004. And I remember that I had a lot of pain around my grandmother's death. And even after several years, I had never been able to deal with that pain.
Yeah.
I felt like she just left me.
Correct.
And that healed with past life regression. I actually, there was a cathartic moment in that session, and I think I released the pain related to her death. Another few past lives, I can say I have seen myself in different roles, and those roles, I could see the effect of those roles impacted my relationships, impacted the things that were happening in my life. And all that happened in a past life therapy session was that it just got released.
हाँ, different stories होती हैं,
different stories होती हैं,
देखते हैं और फिर उसमें
Yeah.
से हम अपना wisdom लेते हैं.
wisdom लेते हैं, and I think वो wisdom आता है.
Yes.
It's not something you can dig deep and see. It resurfaces in your mind.
Yeah.
And just allow it to release. ठीक है ना, story भी अगर आ गई तो क्या है? Maybe you were holding on to that story. It got released, and you're free.
Yes. And are you free
To
from
a
those
large
patterns?
extent, yes.
So past life, hypnosis सब वर्क करता है, और हम उसमें अगर बिलीव करते हैं और अगर हम रेजिस्ट नहीं करते हैं और उस अलाउ करते हैं एक प्रोफेशनल हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट को हमारे पर वर्क करने के लिए, इट वर्क्स वंडर्स. वी
Yes,
कैन
it does.
चेंज आवर लाइफ, वी कैन चेंज आवर डेस्टिनीज, और हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं डीप वर्क. कमिंग बैक टू अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, जिसको हम अवचेतन मन कहते हैं, बहुत डीप है ये रहस्य. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के बारे में कुछ बातें करते हैं.
So subconscious. So you have
लाइक क्या क्या हो सकता है उसके अंदर, लाइक व्हाट ऑल कैन यू फाइंड इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड.
so conscious mind, आपको पता है, आप यहाँ बैठे हो, हम बात कर रहे हैं, whatever we're doing, this is a part of the conscious process. Subconscious mind is a level below it. वहाँ से information कभी कभी conscious mind तक आता है, and you know sometimes you're doing something, but it's a very natural activity, you know. In medical field we say that, oh, it's at a spinal level now that I'm, you know, doing this activity. It's no more like a conscious activity. So चल रहा होता है, but it's taking information, and subconscious doesn't know अच्छा बुरा, ज़्यादा कम. If you say I'm having a splitting headache, वो splitting word पकड़ लेगा, and then it will act on your physiology, and you will be there with that splitting headache. But
Yeah.
at the same time, you're having a headache for sure, and then you say, no, I think I'm feeling a little better. I'm a little better. I'm more comfortable. I'm feeling some lightness in
और
my
आई
head.
विल बी बेटर
और
सून.
I am feeling better. नहीं तो I will be कहोगे तो आप future में डाल दोगे ना उसको. So I am better is a better way to deal with this. And you start suddenly, in some time, you have to give that time also, you start feeling better. So that is the power of your subconscious mind. And the best time to program it is either before going to bed at night,
Yeah.
or early in the morning.
Yeah.
And why early in the morning? And as soon as you get up, you have a 45-minute window.
Yes.
Don't miss that window, because after 45 minutes of waking up, your ego defenses will kick in.
Correct.
फिर वो कोई चीज अंदर जाने नहीं देंगे, because the conscious mind is like a, the guard.
Yeah.
That how can you say I'm well? How can you say everything? कहाँ सब कुछ ठीक है नहीं ना? So if you want to start with programming your subconscious mind, start taking advantage of this time.
My father used to teach us that when we were kids, कि सोने के पहले ये affirmations करके सोना है, तो ये सब सीधा आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाएगा. कुछ पढ़ना है तो रिकॉर्ड करके कीप इट ऑन एंड गो टू स्लीप. आजकल तो व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड, लोग मोबाइल्स में वो रील्स देख के सो जाते हैं, एंड सो मच नेगेटिव क्लटर इज गोइंग विद इन देम. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है समझना, जब हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जब ओपन होता है रिसीविंग के लिए, वी शुड मेक श्योर कि हम सिर्फ उसमें पॉजिटिव डाल रहे हैं.
एंड even something bigger than the subconscious mind is your deep unconscious mind. अब वहाँ तो information जाता है, but it never comes up. And the only way, if you want to access that deep unconscious mind, either you learn to be in a very relaxed state, a very deep relaxed state, where your right brain activity is enhanced. And that has the key to unlocking your deep unconscious. So suddenly you will remember childhood ki koi cheez, ya suddenly you will remember some incident. If that comes to you, then that means the packets that are
kept dormant
in your deep unconscious mind are resurfacing. And don't try to analyze ye kyun mujhe yaad aaya. Okay, theek hai, there's some memory had to be released, and that happens. Even chanting, why do we chant?
इसके लिए आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोग जब वो चैंटिंग शुरू करते हैं या मेडिटेशन, वो घबरा जाते हैं, बिकॉज इतना सब ऊपर आने लगता है, उनको समझ नहीं पड़ता है अरे अभी इसके साथ हाउ डू यू हैंडल दिस, और वो सिर्फ उसको बंद कर देते हैं. नहीं, दे थिंक कि पहले दिन से ही हम शुरू कर देंगे और हमको तो समथिंग ग्रेट expansion मिलने वाला है, but it's not that.
So I'll tell everybody here that it is very scientific that you chant, you meditate, you do any kind of focused work. What is happening exactly is that your right brain activity is enhanced.
Correct.
And when that right brain activity is enhanced, you become more creative, more intuitive, and that is unlocking your deep unconscious. So just be in sync with that process.
बहुत कुछ ऊपर आएगा, and be ready to deal with it.
Yeah, just don't analyze it.
You also need to be brave.
Yeah,
you need to be very brave.
Majorly, yes. And I would suggest don't do it by yourself.
Yeah, always have someone.
Yes.
A facilitator.
Very true.
So Heal Your Life, जो लुइस हे का प्रोग्राम है, आप उसकी फैसिलिटेटर हो, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. What is Heal Your Life?
So about Louise's philosophy, she was one of the first few people who gave so much importance to thoughts, to belief systems. And I remember this one philosophy that is in the beginning of her book that says that every thought you think is creating your future. And she talks a lot about belief systems. She talks about how your thought patterns, they become like so much a part of your consciousness that they are either resisting your own good or they are working for your own good. So you have different areas in your life, like you have relationship, you have career, you have self-development, so many places. You have to constantly keep re-evaluating these thoughts and belief systems. And those that work for you, well, carry on. Don't change that. But what's not working for you, go back and ask yourself, what is my belief related to that? And she spent an entire life helping people understand the way they think.
और उसने उसके ऊपर एक पूरा प्रोग्राम बनाया है.
पूरा प्रोग्राम बनाया, and it is called it is called You Can Heal Your Life. मतलब कोई और नहीं आने वाला है. You only have to heal your life. And belief systems होते हैं ना, they are done by the age of 5.
Hmm.
So after you already are believing what you have to believe by the
Correct.
age of 5. So after that we are just like kind of being puppeted everywhere. So she's like ठीक है, now you've a catastrophic event has happened, although वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता है, but चलो उसने आपको push तो किया है सोचने के लिए कि where is my life going. Think about what you believe about it. Like your relationship is not working. Ask yourself, what do I believe about a relationship?
या
कि
बिकॉज समटाइम्स हम अपने पेरेंट्स की मैरिज देख के हम
हाँ,
एक बिलीफ पैटर्न बना देते हैं,
yes,
फिर हमारे मैरिजेस सफ़र करते हैं, मनी के
yes,
ऊपर बिलीफ बना देते हैं, यू नो.
like
आई इफ़ यू आर रिच देन ऑल रिच पीपल आर नॉट वेरी
yes,
हॉनेस्ट और दे आर नॉट बैड. बुरी तरह से ही पैसा आता है.
money is
सो
evil.
मैनी थिंग्स, मनी इज इविल,
Money is evil.
so you will never get the money. So yeah,
Yes.
belief patterns.
And you ask yourself, and sometimes you have to question your belief also, that is it my belief or I've heard it from somebody.
Picked it up.
Mostly your beliefs are not yours.
Hmm.
It's the society's belief, it is your friends' belief, your parents' belief, or your siblings or whatever. It's
But I
definitely
also
not
believe
yours.
here that it comes from your past lives. I mean, I
Yes.
truly believe in past lives.
Yes.
तो I think ये बहुत जगह से आता है. Picked up belief भी रहता है. Past
Yeah,
life से
sometimes
आता
you
है.
don't know why you believe something that you're
Yeah,
believing.
it's just someone else's. You have just picked up and it's, you know,
Yes.
projecting in your life.
Absolutely. It does work. And she spent all her life teaching people how you can heal yourself. And one thing that was so profound for me, I had heard this, that, she would always say this, that whether it's your family, your relative, your friend, whoever very close to you, if they are on their journey of healing, it is their own responsibility to heal.
Yes.
You cannot go and heal them.
Yes.
Like कोई अगर suffer कर रहा है and somebody is in a pit, if they expect you to get down in that pit and suffer with them, that is not loyalty. Loyalty is you give them a hand and tell them that, listen, I'm going to help you up. Come up.
Correct.
But if they don't, then you have to take 2 steps away, and you only hold the space for them till they arrive.
And if they don't, then you have to walk away.
Yes, you have to.
Because it's going to be very painful.
Yes.
Just waiting there.
You have to walk away, because that will push them to come out of that
Yeah.
pit.
Yes.
Your distancing
Yes.
will make them think.
दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी प्रोफाउंड एग्जाम्पल. अगर हमारे व्यूअर्स ये सुन रहे हैं तो किसी के साथ पेन में जाके उनका पेन आप अपने ऊपर लेना, बहुत लोग ये करते हैं, इज़ नॉट लॉयल्टी एट ऑल.
Not at all.
और अगर वो नहीं समझ रहे हैं तो आप 2 स्टेप्स पीछे ले लीजिए, और अगर फिर भी नहीं समझ रहे हैं तो थोड़ा और पीछे
Distance
चले जाइए.
yourself.
बट यू नीड टू गिव देम अ ब्रेक सो दैट वो अपना प्रोसेसिंग खुद कर सके और वहाँ से वो निकल सके. यहाँ से हम अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं कि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग कितनी ज़रूरी है.
Positive thinking is बहुत ज़रूरी है, we also know. But can everybody be positive?
बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, बिकॉज कितनी बार विचार आते हैं जो हमें पता भी नहीं कि ये आ रहे हैं. कितना अवेयर होना पड़ता है कि थॉट्स आ क्या रहे हैं. 1 मिनट के अंदर कितने लैक्स ऑफ थॉट्स कम. हम लोग जैसे सबकॉन्शियस अनकॉन्शियस में से ऑपरेट करते हैं, तो हमें पता भी नहीं है कि ये थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. सो कितना ज़रूरी है समझना कि ये पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग मिनट टू मिनट, कि मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ.
So I can tell you one thing on this, that forget positive thinking for a minute. A thought. Positive thinking में भी thought तो है ना. So any thought is a constant affirmation that you're doing. Like, I'm not feeling good, I'm feeling good, or
Yes.
I'm feeling slightly down, under the weather, whatever.
या
That is an affirmation that you're repeating. अब वो affirmation repeat करते करते वो एक pattern बनेगी. Then it will become like these pool of thoughts. And those pool of thoughts, bus, they either drown you in the ocean of negativity, or if they are positive and if you're like so, very motivated, it can take you to different peaks also and
Yeah.
work for your life. So you have to decide that it is just a thought. How you work with that thought, up to you. But remember, you are constantly repeating that thought. आपको separately affirmation करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो आप thought से ही आप chanting आपका शुरू ही है.
और पॉजिटिव थॉट से आई थिंक हम अपने वाइब्रेशंस बढ़ाते हैं.
Yes.
तो अगर कभी भी मैंने ये अपने साथ भी मैं बहुत ये करती हूँ कि कभी लो हो जाती हूँ या नेगेटिव थॉट्स आने लगते हैं और ऐसे लगता है कि आई एम डिपिंग, आई पुश माई सेल्फ टू कम बैक अप। वो होगा नहीं होगा, ठीक है, एंग्जाइटी है, फियर है फ्यूचर का, या जो भी एन नंबर ऑफ रीजंस का, रिलेशनशिप ले लो, मनी ले लो, वर्क ले लो, बट बस ऊपर उठना है, जो होगा देखा जाए। तो अपने आप को वो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग से
There,
रेज करना अपना वाइब्रेशन,
yes.
वो बहुत ज़रूरी है।
So there is a simple exercise for this.
हम्म।
And what you do is, sometimes you know आपको positive सोचोगे तो अच्छा ही होगा, but you don't want to.
हम्म।
You don't want to think positively. You don't want to be grateful. You don't want to forgive. You don't want to do many things, but you know that दवाई तो लेनी पड़ेगी, right? So what you do is at least be smart that time and say, I'm willing to think positively. I'm willing to. So ये willing word है ना, it's a very powerful word. So उससे क्या होता है, you're not committing that I will be positive, but at least you have shown your willingness to change, your willingness to shift from one state to the other. So the universe is like, अच्छा चलो ये willing तो है ना, let me, she's taken one step, I'll take 10 steps towards her. So a smartest way of saying is, I'm willing. ठीक है, उसमें क्या जाता है, willing बोलने में क्या है, हम तो commit नहीं कर रहे.
सो इम्पोर्टेंट।
Yes.
फॉरगिवनेस कितना ज़रूरी है, मीन्स जब हम हीलिंग प्रोसेस में रहते हैं, जब हम हमारे लाइफ में अंदर झांक रहे हैं, तो बहुत एंगर, रिजेंटमेंट, बहुत लोगों के पास जेलिसी, रिवेंज जैसे बहुत स्मॉल लोअर वाइब्रेटरी इमोशंस रहते हैं। सो फॉरगिवनेस कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। और मैंने बहुत बार लोगों को सुना, आई नेवर फॉरगिव दिस पर्सन एंड आई नेवर फॉरगिव। क्या है ये?
So I'll tell you, forgiveness is true freedom. But I'll tell you a very, I think today, this forgiveness story might change somebody's life, and I'm very sure it is going to change not only somebody's life, many people's life. So this came like a channeled message to me 2 days ago, that what is in the path of forgiveness, हमारा victimhood. आप
हाँ।
forgive नहीं कर रहे हो, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Forgiveness हम कर नहीं सकते, forgiveness happens to us. So why are you not forgiving? Because you don't want to let go of that victimhood. It has got nothing to do with the other person.
परफेक्ट पकड़ा आपने।
And if you victim बनना, it's lovely space
इजी,
to be in.
इजी।
You love to, वो सेल्फ पिटी का जो मजा है ना,
मैं
यू
बेचारी,
ओ
मैं
मैं
बेचारा।
बेचारी हो, या बट इफ यू फॉरगिव, यू हैव टू सडनली टेक ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर एवरीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. नाउ दैट इज टफ, सो वी आर नॉट फॉरगिविंग.
दिस इज वेरी प्रोफाउंड, वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट कि अगर हमें फॉरगिव करना है तो पहले हमें विक्टिम मोड से बाहर आना है
Yes.
और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी है कि हाँ, मुझे मेरी लाइफ चेंज करनी है, तो ही मैं फॉरगिव कर पाऊँगी, नहीं तो फॉरगिवनेस का कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है। नहीं तो मैंने अभी किसी का रील आई वाज सीइंग एंड शी वाज, नो नो जजमेंट्स, बट वो एक बात बोल रही थी कि फॉरगिवनेस बोलते हैं करने के लिए, मगर हम फॉरगिवनेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो सरेंडर कर दो टू गॉड। सो दैट्स ऑल्सो अ गुड वे
Yeah,
टू डू
very
इट।
good.
बट आई फील वो सरेंडर करने बोलना कि मैं आपको सरेंडर कर रहा हूँ, और एक्चुअली में वो एंगर सरेंडर करना इज फॉरगिविंग ओनली।
Yes,
वो आपने अगर
definitely.
सरेंडर किया तो आपने ऑटोमेटिकली फॉरगिव कर ही
कर
लिया।
ही दिया है, एंड यू ट्रूली सरेंडर, बिकॉज सम पीपल दे सरेंडर इन फ्रंट ऑफ गॉड, फिर वही बैगेज वापस लेके आते हैं, एंड यू नो योर द हायर पावर और द इंटेलिजेंट पावर, या आपके गुरु, गॉड, व्हाटएवर, दे आर सेइंग कि लाओ मुझे दो, पर हमें नहीं देना है. एक्चुअली हमें क्या नहीं देना है, हमें हमारा विक्टिमहुड नहीं देना है उनको, क्योंकि अगर विक्टिमहुड चला जाएगा तो व्हाट वुड यू बी लेफ्ट विथ?
ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। बहुत बार लोगों को ये नहीं पता होता है कि ये नेगेटिव इमोशंस, नेगेटिव बैगेज को अगर मैं रिलीज करती हूँ तो व्हाट नेक्स्ट? ये जो
Yes.
एम्प्टी स्पेस क्रिएट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे क्या फिल करना है,
People are scared
बहुत
of
लोगों
that
को नहीं
empty.
पता, तो वो वहाँ पे ही उसको पकड़ के रखते हैं, क्योंकि दिस इज द नोन एंड दैट इज द अननोन। तो ये
Yes.
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है।
Yes, absolutely. That's the perfect answer here.
और गहराई में चलते हैं अब।
बिल्कुल।
आपके फिजियो के पेशेंट्स, उनके एलिमेंट्स देख के आप उनको इमोशनल गाइडेंस भी देते हो कि ये एकदम सेपरेट रखते हो दोनों को?
Yes. So, another very important message I would like to give all the healers here is, आपको अगर दिख भी रहा है that it is coming from the mind,
हम्म,
it is coming from emotions, those aches and pains are not real. You
yeah.
are not going to go and tell them that. I very strictly practice that. I There will be no difference in the physiotherapy that will be given to the
मीन्स आप
patient.
उनको बिलीव करते हो, मीन्स आई बिलीव यू कि हाँ
Yes.
आपको पेन है, क्योंकि
Yes,
पेन
I
तो है ही
yeah,
ना,
pain तो है ही ना.
पेन तो है ही ना,
पेन तो है and pain is real. It
कॉज
is
अलग
coming from
अलग
the
होगा
mind.
मगर पेन तो है।
Yes, pain है. But what you can do is, a beginning is you be compassionate towards them.
या
Hold that space for them. पहले क्या होता था, जब डॉक्टर्स को समझ में नहीं आता था ना कि ये पेशेंट ठीक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, तो देर इज़ अ वेरी देर इज़ दिस टर्म कॉल्ड PSY. हम मतलब बस एक दूसरे को यही कहते थे कि ये PSY है, मतलब समझ जाओ कि ये साइकोलॉजिकल है, इसको कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. नाउ डिड वी हैव अ मेजर टू नो इट इज़ साइकोलॉजिकल? अच्छा, अब है तो भी पेन तो है, राइट? So what do you do that time? You don't go and tell them that, look, the minute the patient walks in,
Yeah.
I know where the pain is coming from. The patient has one conversation with me, I know where they are coming from. But it is obviously because of practice of so many years. It didn't come in a day. But I don't, unless asked, no unsolicited advice कि आपका pain emotional pain है. People are not ready. They don't want to hear that the pain is
और इसी
emotional.
के लिए हमारा ये पॉडकास्ट है, ताकि
Yes.
लोग जान सकें कि
कि
बहुत चीज़ें
yes,
इमोशनल बेस्ड हैं,
होती है.
साइकोसोमैटिक हैं, और वो हील हो सकते हैं अगर हम
Def-
अपने इमोशंस को हील करें। और
Definitely.
एक देयर इज़ अ वे, क्योंकि लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता कि इमोशंस प्रोसेस कैसे करते हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया जाता है, सो दे डोंट नो कि देयर इज़ अ वे टू प्रोसेस the pain I'm carrying, the wound I'm carrying, or the grief that I'm carrying, उनको नहीं पता है। तो अगर जैसे ये पॉडकास्ट के ज़रिए हम लोगों को ये बता रहे हैं कि आप फिजियोथेरेपी के लिए जा रहे हो और आपका वो पेन हील नहीं हो रहा है, मीन्स वहाँ पे कुछ साइकोसोमैटिक भी है, जहाँ आपको आपके माइंड को भी हील करना ज़रूरी है, आपके इमोशंस को हील करना ज़रूरी है, राइट?
uh, in today's podcast, I'm also going to teach people how to create a unique holistic model for yourself.
ओके,
And it is DIY. Do
Okay.
it yourself. And it's so simple.
बताइए।
The DIY model is बहुत ज़्यादा don't spread out too much. Just make 3 columns: mental, physical and spiritual. Now mental column है, उसमें just ask yourself, how are you thinking? What are your thoughts related to that condition? Just write it down and see what are the beliefs related to that condition. कि मैं कभी ठीक ही नहीं होंगी,
हाँ,
या I don't understand where it is coming from, या जब ये होता है तब I'm very irritated and angry.
बट एज रिलेटेड है, कैसे ठीक होगा? ये तो डिटोरिएशन है।
Also age related अगर है तो you don't know why it is coming. What is it? Like अब तो मेरी उम्र हो गई है. There is nothing like उम्र हो गई है. Maybe you're moving less. That is why that pain is there. But you still have a belief system related to that कि मेरी उम्र होगी तो मुझे ये होगा. Not necessary. There are so many healthy people who have no problems. So now remove that belief system that as you age you will have these problems.
करेक्ट।
हाँ ठीक है, होंगे, we will deal with them. But right now at least वो belief आपने, you are aware of that belief.
या
Second, move to the physical condition. अच्छा क्या है आपको? You have knee pain, you have shoulder pain, back pain,
ऑल पेन्स।
all kinds of pains, full body pain. So often I have people, they start with like, I have a pain in my back. And then I'm like, okay, next. So they're like, right knee kabhi kabhi, left knee रात को. And then when I get up, my neck also hurts. फिर धीरे धीरे the whole body will be included. And then I say whole body pain. So then they laugh at me. I'm like, हाँ, पूरा whole body pain. Fine. So then I say, yeah, you can have whole body pain. So चलो, physical condition भी आपने लिखी. Now, the third column is the most important column, which is the spiritual health. Now spirituality doesn't mean कि आप बैठ के एकदम ध्यान लगाओ. Well, if you do that, wow, excellent. If you're practicing anything, but being spiritual according to me just means that whether you are centered, whether you're connected to yourself, are you able to understand आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है? Even if you know that much, you are enough spiritual. And whatever work you're doing, just do it with full focus and dedication. That is being spiritual.
करेक्ट कि मैं क्या खा
हाँ,
रही हूँ
yeah.
जो ये कितने बार
Mindfulness,
खट्टा ज़्यादा खाने
heartfulness.
से या ये this it can be so many
Yes,
different things
absolutely.
which can create the pains. So spiritual awareness of whatever you are doing.
Yeah, whatever you're doing and how connected are you to yourself. And the quickest way,
And this is all again if अगर हम देखते हैं तो holistic health में
holistic
आता है.
यही है और कुछ नहीं है. नाम, it's
Mind,
like
body, soul.
हाँ, बस everybody is talking about the same thing. But and I feel you don't have to go anywhere to find holistic health. You have it.
Yeah.
And create a DIY unique holistic model. Just work in these 3 columns and at least something will shift in your life.
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है जिसको हम बोलते हैं डोर मैट सिंड्रोम. द हांजी लोग जो हांजी जो कभी ना नहीं बोल सकते. मोस्टली वुमेन होते हैं बट मेन भी होते हैं बहुत जगहों पे. तो जिनके अंदर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस कम होता है या दे आर डीलिंग विद नार्सिसिस्ट पीपल, वो अपने आप को हील योर लाइफ के ज़रिए कैसे हील कर सकते हैं?
First thing is that I feel if you are a people pleaser, that means इसका diagnosis ये है कि आपका self esteem और self worth बहुत low है. आप क्यों हाँ बोल रहे हो? Not because मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, because you are afraid to say no, you are afraid to upset that person, because that person will think कि आप अच्छे नहीं हो. So deep down सेल्फ एस्टीम तो लो है, सेल्फ वर्थ लो है, बट जो जड़ कहते हैं ना, जड़ इज आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ इज द रीजन फॉर पीपल ट्राइंग टू प्लीज एवरीबडी.
It can also be a good girl or a good boy.
या एब्सोल्युटली. यू वांट वैलिडेशन ना, तो आप हाँ जी क्यों कर रहे हो? क्योंकि आपको वैलिडेशन चाहिए. एंड देन यू रियलाइज दैट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इट.
वो एक दिन तो बर्नआउट होने ही वाला है.
डेफिनेटली.
अगर किसको फिजिकल और मेंटल चैलेंज रहता है तो वो फ्रेश स्टार्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Create a unique holistic model. Be very honest with yourself first. There is no harm in saying I need help. Try it yourself, but if you think you're not able to do it yourself, mental है तो go to a counselor. If you feel low energy wise, you can go to a Reiki practitioner. You can learn Reiki yourself, learn healing modalities yourself. That will help you lift your energy.
Yes.
If you feel physical problem है, जो सबको ही है, so move. Do a simple thing. I think when we had this discussion, you said that there was a time when I just never felt like getting out of my bed.
Moving.
The
movement
नहीं चाहिए. Right? So that means one, you were very stuck.
Trauma based
था. And दूसरी चीज़ क्या थी? हमारे सामने गोल इतना बड़ा होता है, मतलब it's like you have started as a mountaineer और आपका ख्वाब है माउंट एवरेस्ट. In that one, in 2 months, 3 months, it's something which is very difficult to achieve. So a simplest way to physically start a journey is become active.
Yeah.
खुद जाके पानी लो.
Correct.
Simple thing. Walk more. Be active in your own house.
Yes.
We make these 5-year plans like I will go for a walk, I will join this class, that class. Doesn't work. Just become active. Lift your energy first. Then that energy will help you actually go to different places.
Yeah. Stepwise
करो.
So in ये past phase ज़िंदगी में जहाँ पे इतने fragile emotions के साथ लोग जी रहे हैं, इतना stress, breakups, wounds लेके सब चल रहे हैं और उन्हें ये भी नहीं पता कि प्रोसेस कैसे करना है या कोई हेल्प मिलता है, ऐसे लोगों को आप क्या सलाह दे सकते हो? उनके साथ वो कैसे डील कर सकते हैं?
So all this leads to something called as loneliness. So now I will, there are a lot of people that I have met who say I'm feeling very lonely. You know, in today's world of such unstable relationships, and you see कितने सारे breakups and कितना सारा कुछ चल रहा है, you know, uh, I feel like there is, you have to know there's a difference between loneliness and solitude.
Yeah.
लोनलीनेस जो होता है ना, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द बिलीफ सिस्टम दैट अगर आप अकेले हो या अकेले हो जाते हो या ब्रेकअप हो जाते हैं, कुछ भी हो जाता है, इट्स अ बैड थिंग. इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग. व्हाट इज योर बिलीफ रिलेटेड टू दैट? मतलब अकेला रहना इज द वर्स्ट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड.
वो दुनिया वो ही बताती
हाँ,
रहती है ना
कि
आजू
देखो
बाजू
आप
में
अकेले हो गए हो,
बेचारे हैं.
बेचारे. या सो अगेन पुशिंग यू टुवर्ड्स बिकमिंग अ विक्टिम.
Yeah.
And what is all this? Because of for all you know, you are actually starting to explore what life is for you. Is it not a good thing?
आई थिंक अगर हमें अपने आप से अगर हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं खुद को, इफ यू कनेक्टेड टू सेल्फ, आई थिंक लोनली जैसे कोई वर्ड
होता ही नहीं है.
एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता.
It's solitude then, and you have all the answers to your life in this solitude. And some are very uncomfortable to hear them from your own self, but they are, you know, truth comes. You know, Lord Buddha always says this one thing, that let the water, you know, let that water settle, and you will see your reflection very, very clearly. And that is what happens in solitude. That is why some people don't like it,
Yeah.
because they come, they
Closer
start
to self.
facing their own self. But I would encourage everybody, please, it's a positive thing. Let that also happen to you.
खुद को खुद से मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बहुत ज़रूरी है. And another thing, I mean, I can just, this is just pure humor. If you don't enjoy your own company, do you think other people will like it? Like you?
This is true. I tell this to everybody who come in search of, you know, मेरे को I don't have a partner or this, and I'm like, first learn to love yourself.
Yeah.
आप ही खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे तो दूसरा आपसे प्यार क्यों करेगा?
आप मतलब you're dreading your own company. Just
Yeah.
imagine. And then don't be surprised if people are running away from you.
Yes, very true. Coming to our last but not the least question, जो मैं हर you know जो भी यहाँ आते हैं I ask them, आपका life experience से जो भी एक pearl of wisdom आपने जो सीखा है life से, share it with our audience.
I will say two things. One, it is a quote by Paramhans Yogananda that only you need to change. And if you have changed, you have done your part in this world. Only change yourself. And you have done a very big part. And second thing is, you know, these days you have a lot of people who are doing courses and becoming this practitioner and that practitioner in order to make their treatments more effective.
Yeah.
I would like to say that your energy needs to change.
Yes.
If you're not evolving with that course, or you're not evolving and changing with life, it is actually your evolved self that is constantly interacting with patients.
Yes.
When your understanding is deep, the treatments are very effective, even if it is a simple thing like go drink water. But with the energy with which you have said it, the person actually started hydrating
They
himself
will
or
come
herself
and sit
better.
next to you and get
Yes,
healed.
yes.
दिल से पता नहीं हमने सिर्फ बात किया मगर we are going back happy.
Yes,
कुछ तो हुआ यहाँ पे.
absolutely.
Because their energy will transform if you are transformed.
Yes.
And this thing is so important because my entire childhood, my father used to tell me only one sentence: you can change yourself and not anyone else. I didn't understand. I used to always be like, what the hell is he talking? ये क्या बोल रहा है, you know? Till we grow up, till we face the problems and we understand कि, oh my God, the change is
Within.
only here. There is nothing else that you can change. क्योंकि सिर्फ power यहाँ पे है खुद को change
Absolutely.
करने का. So we end this with this beautiful line that you can only change yourself and
You
not
can
others.
change yourself. And to end it from my side, I'll just say एक संत कबीर है, उनके दोहे उनके दोहों में से एक है जो my मामा जी used to always remind me. He had profound spiritual knowledge, which he always shared it with me. And he said, माला फेरत जुग भया, फेरा न मन का फेर, कर का मन का छोड़ दे, मन का फेर. So try and everything that you do, try and keep changing with it.
Yeah,
And change is the only constant.
change is the only constant. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
Dr.
much.
Leena. Lovely
Thank you so
talking to
much.
you.
Thank you so much.